Today I'm going to be making porridge with farine. Farine is made by removing all the moisture from grated cassava before parching it in a traditional copper kettle over an open flame until it turns light brown in color. You end up with a healthier version of cream of wheat. We were privileged to visit a producer of this farine where we were able to document the entire process. The link to that feature is included. So I start by adding both milks, my full cream milk and my condensed milk to the pot. Then I'm adding a pinch of cardamom, pinch of tonka bean, pinch of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 whole dried bay leaf. I'm going to whisk this together until all my powdered flavorings are evenly incorporated before turning on the heat to high and bringing this milk mixture to a boil. Right, so you see the milk mixture has come up to a boil. Just going to give it one last whisk here to make sure all my flavorings are well incorporated. Now I'm going to switch off the heat and whisk in my farine. Next step, just going to cover it and allow the farine to bloom and soak in all the milk, the sweetness from the condensed milk, and all the spices and everything. Alright, so as you can see here, our farine has bloomed and soaked in all the milk along with all the various flavors that we added. We typically have this in the morning, but this can be eaten at any time of the day or even as a snack. I love the deep, complex, warm, earthy notes, the nutmeg, cardamom, tonka bean, and cinnamon and bay leaf add to the porridge, which balance it out perfectly with the milk.